How? Stress killer, ashwagandha, can improve your health. Ashwagandha, stress killer, Indian ginseng. It's a medicinal herb. Its scientific name is Withania somnifera, used in Ayurveda, which is Indian health treatment. From centuries, it is adaptogen, means it helps body to adopt in a new lifestyle. Healing herbs for stress and fatigue are very potent in effectiveness on central nervous system, CNS. Ashwagandha, ancient Indian medicine. It's used by Indians from more than 3,000 years for relieving the stress, increasing energy levels, improving concentration. Almost whole plant is used. However, roots are more effective. Most of the health benefits are because of it contains a very rare molecule called withanolides, which has anti-inflammation effectiveness. Ashwagandha, what it has, about 40 withanolides, 12 alkaloids, and number of citandosides. Its withanolides are very similar to what we get in Korean ginseng, and that is why it is called as Indian ginseng. The herb has withanolides, its triterpene lactone, withaferin A, alkaloids, steroidal lactans, tropine, cuscohygrine, cetoindosides. Ashwagandha, how it works. Alkaloids, steroidal lactans, saponins, and withanolides. These all are active molecules, which creates their outstanding bioactivity. Some of these activities are anti-arthritic effect, a powerful cyclooxygenase COX inhibition activity, anti-inflammatory effect. This activity is very similar to hydrocortisone. Brain antioxidant effect. This activity is because it influences GABA receptors, CNS tranquilizing effect. This activity is again its influence on GABA receptors. Steroid effect plus withanolides works just like steroids. Ashwagandha, how it works. Sleep-inducing activity. Ashwagandha has some rare molecules, which makes it powerful sleep inducer, anti-cancer and also anti-tumor activity. Ashwagandha has lot of molecules which have this activity. It reduces growth of cancer cells. It also reduces growth of tumors. Most of this activity is anticipated from the presence of very rare molecules, such as withaferin, withianone. In glance, where ashwagandha can provide a definite help in the health conditions, stress, anxiety, depression, sleep, muscles, diabetes. Ashwagandha, as a booster for testosterone. Testosterone is a very important key hormone for men, but it is also important for women. It plays an important role in muscle growth, fat loss, and general overall health. It's reported that ashwagandha increases the levels of testosterone, in one study even up to 22%. Coronavirus and ashwagandha. Research studies are undertaken by joint research between IIT, Delhi, India and AIST, Japan. And initial findings are that it works. It can be effective as a therapeutic drug and also as a preventive drug against coronavirus. Still more research and clinical studies are required. Ashwagandha, health benefits, reduces stress and anxiety. There are very few natural medicines which give relief in this area, but ashwagandha does it. Definitely not only provide help, but tries to cure the problem. In study it's reported that 69% reduction in anxiety and insomnia, and it is proved, in so many studies. Ashwagandha, health benefits, sleep and good quality sleep. This is the other area where ashwagandha works very well. It induces sleep, and that too, a very good quality sleep. Depression, another modern day health problem. Studies suggest that about 79% reduction in the severe depression can be possible by using ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, health benefits, may increase muscle mass and strength. It increases muscle strength and size, reduces body fat, improves body composition, and increased strength may reduce inflammation. It decreases inflammation in almost all type of cases. One study shows it reduces 36% in CRP. CRP is a C-reactive protein, which is also marker for heart disease and inflammation. Ashwagandha, health benefits, can reduce blood sugar levels. It increases insulin secretion and improve insulin sensitivity. Studies shows our average reduction in fasting sugar levels, about 13.5 mg per dl. However, it needs more research in it. Might have anti-cancer benefits. Animal studies shows that it works in almost all type of cancers. It shows 70 to 80% control. Also prevents the spread of cancer. But all these studies are only in animals. More work is needed. Ashwagandha, health benefits, may reduce cholesterol and triglycerides. Studies indicates that it works in this case. Reduces 17% in LDL, bad cholesterol, and 11% decrease in triglycerides. Can increase fertility in men, plus it has a powerful effect on reproductive health, increases sperm count and their motility, can reduce cortisol levels. Higher levels can increase high blood sugar, high stress, increase fat. So ashwagandha reduces the cortisol levels by 30% on average. Although sufficient research information we don't have, but ashwagandha is suggested to be helpful in snake bite, fevers, arthritis, skin conditions, memory loss, nervous breakdown, constipation, Alzheimer's disease. Ashwagandha, side effects and safety. Not much studies in this area. Large doses may cause some side effects to some persons. Might cause stomach upset, diarrhea, pregnancy and breastfeeding. There is not much information. Better don't use it. Diabetes, as ashwagandha also lowers blood sugar. More better monitoring is important. Height or low levels of blood pressure, as ashwagandha also lowers blood pressure. More better monitoring is important. Stomach ulcers, don't use in this case. Autoimmune disease, better avoid the use. Surgery, as it effect on CNS, better stop 2 weeks before surgery. Thyroid disorder, it can increase thyroid hormone, so careful. Ashwagandha, interactions, medications that decrease immune system. Ashwagandha seem to increase immune system, so it will reduce the effectiveness of medicines, so careful. Sedative, sleeping aid, medicines. Ashwagandha, as it also induced sleep. The combination can cause too much sleep. Sedative medicines, CNS depressants. Again in this case very careful, as it may also cause too much sleep. Thyroid hormones plus. Here again care should be taken, as it may increase hormones. Very important. Ashwagandha is too much bioactive material. In lot of areas we don't have research information. If you are in some medication, we are not very sure what way it can interact, so please, must discuss with your doctor, so that you can get best advice. Disclaimer: although care has been taken to ensure that the information presented here is very accurate and up to date, still, the channel takes no responsibility. Information provided here with respect to diseases and treatment are only possible indications, no way they will be taken as an alternative treatment, and they are not substituted for the advice provided by a doctor or any other qualified healthcare professionals.